fellow bowlers, I'm Hannes Horn from Kroonstad. I will be skipping the B team for Northern Free State. I'm a disabled bowler in a wheelchair. I think that's a great example of one sport for all. Yeah, what does winning with my team means to me? Yeah, I've got a saying in my team, or a rule. If you say sorry for a bad ball delivered, you must buy me a beer. You don't get on the mat and bowl a bad ball on purpose. The winning part, I had a coach that taught me winning, it's not all, it's everything. Yeah, so I've got a new team, 3 new players in my team, but I think they are capable to do everything they must to win. And yeah, it will mean a lot to them, and I'm there to get them positive and hold them positive until the last ball. I thank you.